Here is a blue limited edition Gretsch Jim Dandy that I put Fender Esquire electronics in. The front volume knob is the same. Middle position is a bass roll-off, and it sounds incredible.
Well, early one morning while making my round, I took a shot of cocaine and I shot my woman down. I went right home and I went to bed, and I stuck that loving 44 beneath my head. Early next morning I picked up that gun. I took a shot of cocaine and away I run. I run and I run, but I run too slow. They picked me up a half a mile from Juarez, Mexico.